All right, so our threat posture is what's going to determine whether or not we're using a low or high ready position. Guys, I'm Jared. I'm one of the instructors here at Intuitive Self-Protection here at the Level 1 Carbine course in lovely North Carolina. Today we're working on some fundamentals. The next block of instruction we're talking about are our ready positions. So we have a low ready and a high ready. Our low ready position starts similar to how we normally do a presentation. It allows us to maintain our shoulder buttstock weld so that if we have to come up and engage a target, we're already right there. What kind of situations do we think we would use the low ready for?
Ground floor.
Ground floor? Yeah. Okay. So what Ursula means, and that's absolutely the correct answer, is if I'm entering a structure, let's say it's either my home or it's some situation where I've responded to, I don't know what's upstairs, or I know there are people upstairs, I don't want to send my muzzle upward like this because most houses being constructed of drywall and wood frame, if I accidentally touch a round off, that's going up and I don't have any control over where that's going to go. If I'm in any type of structure and I'm on the ground floor at the low ready, that round is going to impact the ground if I trip and fall and do something that I shouldn't do and have an unfortunate negligent discharge. It is always negligence. So for the low ready position, like I said, it's advantageous for us because we're already maintaining our shoulder position. So from the low ready, I can walk and scan and I'm maintaining good, safe muzzle device here. I can walk towards you, I can walk in this direction, maintaining the position without flagging anybody that I'm not looking to engage. And then as soon as that threat presents itself, it's very easy to quickly snap that safety off, come up into position, and then engage. Safety back on, come down. That's the low ready position. If we have a low ready position, then we probably have a high ready position. Our high ready position is a little bit trickier, but it's still a very important process to work through as far as our workspace goes because it's where we do a lot of remedial action and reloading. So high ready, conversely to being in the shoulder pocket, is under our shoulder pocket. Now this situation, same thing. If I'm in a structure and I'm on a higher floor and I don't know what's below me, then I can maintain a high ready position so that I don't accidentally send a round down through the floor. The presentation for this though can get us tangled up a little bit. So when I present from the high ready, I'm not just fish casting my weapon out into place, because what's going to happen is the buttstock is going to hang up on my shirt potentially, or if I'm wearing a jacket, we've got a windy day today, I just downloaded a jacket. If I have a bunch of clothing, if I don't clear the space between my shoulder pocket and the buttstock, there's a good chance that I'm going to get snagged up on something. So what I want to do, rather than fish cast my weapon back out onto the target, I want to present straight out to the target, reestablish my shoulder stock position, and then get good sight picture sight alignment so that I can make that engagement. Like I said before, the high ready is also our workspace for any type of reload or our initial malfunctions if we have to address them. So instead of trying to deal with the weapon system out here and putting all the stress on this hand, I can do it on the range as I'm standing here online in a really dynamic situation where maybe I'm trying to get to cover. I'm quickly going to lose that contact point where I'm holding that stock into place, and now my weapon system is out of control. Bringing that weapon system under the armpit and locking it in place with this arm allows me to make that movement and get back to my magazines so that I can reload or address a malfunction as appropriate. Once again, once I do whatever I need to do, whether it's pull, reload, hit my bolt stop, that representation is I'm regaining my grip on my rail, punching straight back out, again, breaking that contact from the armpit, coming back into that pocket for the shoulder, get sight picture, sight alignment, safety off, engage, safety on, and then continue to address the situation as needed. All right, guys, if you found this information useful and you want to come and train with us, go check out intuitivesp.com. Like, share, subscribe, check out the YouTube, and we'll see you out here on the training facility.